Hello guys and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we will install the Visual Studio Code. So this will be an IDE where we will code our project. You can use whatever IDE you want, but I like the Visual Studio Code, so I will just use Visual Studio Code. And in this video I will show you how you can install it. So let's get started. Simply go to code.visualstudio.com, and in here you can see download for Windows, and it should automatically figure out your operating system if for some reason it doesn't work. If you click on this kind of arrow in here, you can see Mac OS and Linux. So feel free to install whatever package you want. I will simply click on this download for Windows. It will take me to this page and it will automatically start the downloading for me. So the downloading should take just a few seconds because it's really small file, and Visual Studio Code is a great IDE. It's 100% free, so that is great and that's unusual for Windows. But yeah, when it downloads, simply click on that and open it up. It should open up this dialog. In here, click next. Once again, you have the license agreement. I will accept it because I already read this thing yesterday. And in here you can select the folder. Pretty much same like every other installation, just hit next, okay? And in here you can create a desktop icon. I definitely want to do that. You can also add this to like file context menu, so when you right click on file, I won't need this thing. So yeah, so hit next, hit install, and it will install everything you need. And eventually the Visual Studio Code will be installed on your computer. So